Sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
Yes, it was a dog.
Do you remember what is this shape called? Triangle. That's a triangle.
That like we're all handling like this virus so well, and like we're like all connecting. And
so it's certainly been a time of transition for our family. My wife and I both work from home.
Yeah.
We have 3 kids, ages 8, 5, and 2. So it has been very challenging, childcare and having to work during the day. But I will say Guidepost has done a great job with creating virtual classrooms and the circle times and some of the other activities that started today, like with the letters and the writing and some of those items. So it's really helped kind of get the kids focused back on the education versus running around and playing all day.
Yeah.
But on the flip side, it is pretty challenging to manage all of that in between conference calls and meetings that you're leading and things of that nature. So, but yeah, so it's a bit chaotic, but we're doing the best we can.
Yeah, we have an entire generation of parents in America right now going through this same thing all together, where we're all a lot of us are in dual working families, working from home with young children. So that's really what our Family Framework program is about helping you to understand the steps of what that looks like, and go through those steps so that after that upfront investment and after that first week, you're able to kind of find this new normal for yourself. And your child feels more comfortable and you feel more comfortable and people are getting what they need.
With Hugo. Hugo, do you remember? What is this shape called?
Circle.
Circle. Thank you, Hugo. This is a circle. Thank you. Benjamin, do you remember? What is that shape called?
Triangle. No. Rectangle.
Okay, give me a thumbs up if you think it was a cow. Who thinks it was a cow? Wow, let's see all those. Tara is racing. I see Tara. I see Zoe. I see Daniel, Anna.
It was a cow.
It was a cow.
Un conejo. El conejo. Una cabra.
A gaba.
It's time for Africa. It's time for Africa. We're all Africa. We're all Africa.
Okay, let's make groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes?
That when we come back, we're going to be in an actual better place than if this hadn't happened. And that's like, listen to the mustn'ts, listen to the never haves, listen to all the people freaking out, and anything can be. And you guys really showed me that. So this poem is also sort of a way for me to say thank you to you, because you guys showed me that this poem is really true. The question is, what is something you appreciate about this community that makes you believe that anything is possible?
I just wanted to say that we are a very positive community, like Macy said, and that we are able to do this and be responsible, like not show up, not having to contact parents for the kids to show up. And yeah, that we can do this without any problem, and it's going really well so far.